Delhi is now gearing up to store vaccines for its citizens in quite a big way. A new cold chain storage facility is being created at the Rajiv Gandhi Super Speciality Hospital to facilitate the phase 1 of vaccination drive for healthcare workers.
The wait for COVID-19 vaccine may soon be over, and preparations are already underway for their storage and distribution. Delhi will soon be ready to stock vaccines to inoculate its healthcare workers in the first phase of the biggest vaccine exercise. At the Rajiv Gandhi Super Speciality Hospital in East Delhi, this 3-story building is being renovated to serve as cold storage facility when the vaccines arrive. From here, the vaccines will be delivered to more than 600 locations within Delhi.
We are going to store the COVID vaccines, and from here the vaccine will be circulated amongst the demand of Delhi, and we have allotted the ground and first floor of this area for the storage of COVID vaccines, and we'll be having all the refrigerators, all the freezers of -70, -42 to 8 degrees Celsius, and as per the requirement the vaccines will be stored.
Freezers that provide storage at -40 degrees, -20 degrees and between 2 to 8 degrees will be placed for various kinds of vaccines. The storage facility will also have adequate security to ensure that there is zero pilferage of the precious shots.
We are going to have security measures, various including the CCTV coverage, so whatever is required. So that will also be taken care.
Storage is a major challenge, especially as some vaccines such as Pfizer's require temperatures as low as -70 degrees, and countries are exploring all options at hand. In South Korea, refrigeration warehouses which were used to store tuna and other goods are now being considered as possible suitable facilities for storing the Pfizer vaccine. Delhi will see about 1.5 lakh healthcare workers get vaccinated in the first phase. That will take about 5 days. A state-wise list of medical staff from both private and government hospitals is already being prepared.
Preparations for the ambitious vaccine drive are underway in the national capital. Right behind me, this 3-story building is going to be one of the prime cold storage facilities across the national capital, where we are going to have cold chain storage facilities under -40 degrees. Apart from the Rajiv Gandhi Super Speciality Hospital, there's one another center that would become the base and inventory for cold storage facilities of COVID-19 vaccines. With Premchand Mishra, this is Milan Sharma for India Today.
On that note, it's a wrap. For further news